In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Gmail app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, by updating your Gmail app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix security issues as well as bugs that may be associated with the older version of Gmail app. To do so, you need to access your app through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For this tutorial, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for my Gmail app through Google Play Store, and my Play Store is here. So I'll tap on it. And from here, go under this search option here and then look for Gmail just like this. And here we go. Once you find your app, go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see the Gmail from Google. We have an update here. That means I've been using an outdated version of Gmail app which is not secure. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update. It will go ahead and download the latest version of Gmail and install it. And now once the installation is done, you have the latest version of Gmail. Proceed and tap on it to open. So that's how you can update your Gmail app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.